Yeah!
Hey there, Lingokids! Today, we're going to a fantastic world where fantastic animals live, and we're going to draw one of the most special ones. Here are some hints. It looks like a pony. It has a horn. It can have different skin colors, even fly. Have you guessed it? Aha! We'll be learning to draw a unicorn. So grab a sheet of paper and a pencil, and let's get started. We're going to start drawing our unicorn's head. Let's start by drawing a semicircle like this. Then draw another, smaller semicircle at the bottom of the first you just drew. This will be for our unicorn snout. There you go. That's a great start. Now you have the base for your unicorn's head. Now we need to add 2 little ears. Draw 2 rounded triangles on either side of the top of the circle. Then add 2 smaller rounded triangles inside. Great work, Lingokids! Now it's time to give our unicorn a face so we know how it's feeling. Starting with the eyes, add 2 ovals side by side in the upper part of the unicorn's head. Be careful not to draw the eyes too far up. Inside each eye, add an arc like a rainbow for the unicorn's pupils. Look how happy it is to see you. The legend says that unicorns love to sniff you to say hello and smell lots of flowers in the fields. But this snout needs some holes to breathe, doesn't it? For that, draw a small oval in the upper half of the unicorn snout. Then draw a slightly smaller oval next to the first oval. There you go. Finally, for the face, draw a long teardrop below the nostrils that extends just past the bottom of the unicorn snout. This is a unicorn's tongue out to give you a kiss. First, make a bean shape for the unicorn's chest and belly. On the left side of this bean, add a small circle for the unicorn's chest. It's pretty, isn't it? On the right side, make a cloud shape by drawing a straight line across and then moving the pencil up to make 4 half circles to close the cloud. Now our unicorn has a body. Unicorns live in wonderful fields. Let's give it legs so it can trot and run. Add 4 rounded rectangle shapes along the bottom of the unicorn's body. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, add a line just above the bottom of each leg. These will be our unicorn's hooves. So far, so good. Listen to that trot. Our unicorn looks great so far, but unicorns are well known for their awesome hair. Let's give it a mane. Starting from the center of the unicorn's head, add a rounded rectangle shape that goes behind the unicorn's right ear and down toward its body. Inside the rectangle, add some lines to make smaller vertical rectangles inside. These will let you add more color to the unicorn's mane. Unicorns also have a hairy tail. To draw it, make an upside down J shape at the end of the unicorn's body. On the inside, draw a smaller J. Our unicorn looks fabulous, Lingokids, and its hair is amazing. Oh wait, we're still missing the most important part of the unicorn, its horn. To make the unicorn's horn, draw a cone shape at the center top of the unicorn's head. To do this, draw a short, rounded line for the bottom of the horn, and then close the horn by drawing a rounded triangle. Add some stripes across the middle of the horn to show that it spirals upward. That is a cute unicorn. Now that we've drawn our unicorn, it's time to make it beautiful with lots of colors. You can use these ones or get creative and choose your own. The sky's the limit, Lingokids. For our unicorn, we'll use pink, light pink, dark pink, yellow, orange, purple. Use the pink crayon to color in the unicorn's body. That's it. With the light pink crayon, color in the unicorn's chest. If you don't have this color, you can always use the color pink with less pressure. Use the dark pink crayon to color in the nostrils. the tongue on the unicorn's snout, its ears, its hooves, and the cloud-shaped spot on its belly. How cool! Use the yellow and orange crayons to color in the unicorn's mane and tail. Change between one color and the other. Exactly like this, Lingokids. Let's give our unicorn the final touch by coloring the horn. With the purple crayon, color in the stripes of the horn. Be sure to leave every other stripe white to show the spiral. Beautiful work, Lingokids. Your unicorn looks magical. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time.